Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be creating a wall art piece using lots of products from the Crafters Workshop. I'm going to be using all of these mixed media products here, and along with this stencil, which is, it's Faithful Tree. It's TCW 831 is which one that is, so I'm going to be using that. So first thing I want to do, I'm going to take all of these sticks here, craft sticks. I'm going to use the Beacons 521 and I'm going to adhere them together. So first just laying them out, getting them lined up. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my adhesive, add it to the stick, and then just press it down right onto the top. Okay, so now it's pretty much dry. I'm going to just turn it over, and then using the Crafters Workshop, this is the black Gesso. And I'm just going to use a paintbrush and just paint it. Okay, it is all dry now. I did do 2 coats of the black gesso on there. I'm now taking the stencil. I'm just going to lay that onto the top. And I'm going to take a little bit of tape here and tape it around so it doesn't slide. Okay, so now I have with modeling paste, the Crafters Workshop modeling paste, I have copper penny, antique gold, champagne gold, and also some Grecian gold. I think that's how you say that. So you can see how pretty those colors are in there. And then using a palette knife, I am just going to grab a little of each one and just kind of randomly apply it. I'm going to clean off my palette knife in between. We're grabbing a new color. Okay, because I went over the edge just a little bit further than what I wanted to of the stencil, I'm just going to go back over with the gesso and just paint right over that, the black gesso. There we go. That's what it looks like so far. You can see that. And next, I'm going to set that aside. So next I'm going to just take my Misty here, and then using a sentiment stamp from, I think it's Cracker Box and So Suzy stamps. I think that's the name of it. But I will put all the links to everything of what I use down below in the description. And they will also be listed on my blog as well. So if you like anything I used, you can find it. So now using some VersaMark, I'm just going to ink it up, stamp it onto the black cardstock, and then I'm going to heat emboss it with some gold emboss powder. Now that I have the sentiment part cut out, I adhered it onto a piece of gold Rinea foil paper, and then I backed it with some foam, 3D foam adhesive. And then I'm just going to find the center. Alright, now that I have that adhered onto there, the next step is to add the hanger. So I'm just taking some gold craft wire here and then flipping it over. I took one end and just kind of wrapped up the wire a little bit on there. Once it's dry, just kind of go up, figure out where the center, or how far I want it to go up. Oops, let's try it this way. And then I'm just going to twist to make like a loop up here. Cut it with some wire cutters. And then just kind of twist the bottom again like what I did on the other side. So I have a little bit more of a base to glue down. And there it is. All ready to be hung up on the wall. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you like my video, I would love to have a thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.